Where's Zupo? Where's Zupo? Where is he? Where is he? Zupo went home today. Zupo went home today. You're not happy about it, are you? No. No. You miss him? You miss him? Hey, where's your cousin? Pony. Pony. Where's Zupo? We'll go see him tomorrow? You want to come back here? Why? Do you miss him? Is he your buddy? Is Zupo your buddy? Does he make it even with Sissy? Yeah. Lupo's still a chicken. He runs away from Sissy. Sissy bit him once and he ran. Huh, he's been running ever since. You miss him? Pony. Hey. Pony. Where's Lupo? Hey. Pony. You big baby. Where's Zupo? He go home? Did he go home? He had to go home, didn't he? He had to go home. You know he did. You were so mad at me. Did Mommy take him? Did Mommy take him home? You're totally fucking gonna kill me. Where's Zupo? I don't want to talk to you no more. That's what he's saying. Pony. Hey. Where's Zupo? Where's Zupo? Hey. Where's Zupo? Where's Zupo?